effective communication are intertwined. Improve your ability to express your thoughts clearly and concisely, ensuring others can follow your logical reasoning. Practice presenting arguments in a logical and coherent manner, using evidence to support your claims. Engage in debates or join clubs or organizations that encourage logical thinking and effective communication. 9. Seek feedback and collaboration. Seeking feedback from others and engaging in collaborative efforts can help refine your logical thinking skills. By discussing and exchanging ideas with others, you can gain new perspectives, identify why flaws in your reasoning, and refine your logical approach. Encourage constructive criticism and be open to different viewpoints, fostering intellectual growth and logical thinking development. 10. Regularly exercise your mind. Just like physical exercise keeps our bodies in shape, regular mental exercises are vital for maintaining and improving logical thinking abilities. Engage in activities that challenge your mind, such as puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers. Additionally, consider learning new skills or taking up hobbies that require logical thinking, such as coding or solving complex problems. Consistency is key. So make a conscious effort to engage in these activities regularly. Title: Becoming a Logical Thinker, Steps to Sharpen Your Mind. Introduction. Becoming a logical thinker is a valuable skill in today's complex world. By honing your logical thinking abilities, you can enhance problem-solving, decision-making, and critical analysis skills. Whether you're a student, professional, or an individual seeking personal growth, developing logical thinking skills will undoubtedly benefit you in various aspects of life. In this article, we will explore practical steps you can take to sharpen your mind and become a more logical thinker. 1. Understand the basics of logic. To cultivate logical thinking, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the fundamentals of logic. Familiarize yourself with basic logical concepts such as deductive and inductive reasoning, syllogisms, logical fallacies, and propositional logic. By grasping these foundational principles, you lay the groundwork for further logical thinking development. 2. Apply critical thinking techniques. Critical thinking goes hand in hand with logical thinking. Engage in activities that facilitate critical analysis and evaluation of information. Practice questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and considering multiple perspectives on a given issue. Incorporate critical thinking into your daily life by engaging in intellectually stimulating discussions, reading thought-provoking material, and solving puzzles or brain teasers. 3. Seek out logic-heavy subjects. Expose yourself to subjects that heavily rely on logical thinking, such as mathematics, computer science, philosophy, and logic puzzles. These subjects provide opportunities to exercise your logical thinking skills and challenge your mind. Embrace the challenges and approach them with a mindset focused on problem solving and logical reasoning. 4. Develop problem solving skills. Problem solving is a key component of logical thinking. Sharpen your problem-solving abilities by practicing systematic approaches to address complex situations. Break down problems into smaller, manageable components, identify patterns or connections, and consider alternative solutions. Regularly challenge yourself with logic based problems or riddles to nurture your problem solving skills. 5. Embrace rationality. Cultivate a rational mindset by making evidence based decisions rather than relying on emotions or biases. Train yourself to think objectively and critically analyze information before reaching conclusions.